Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Los Angeles, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are talking about deck color and how to make a choice you will still feel good about years from now. Deck color affects more than appearance. It can influence heat, maintenance, visibility of dirt, and how well the deck fits with your house, patio, railings, and landscaping. The first place to look is your home's exterior. Consider the siding, stucco, trim, roof color, doors, and existing hardscape. You do not need to match everything exactly. In fact, a little contrast can make the deck look more intentional, but the tones should work together. Warm tan stucco may pair well with warm brown or medium gray decking, while cooler gray or white exteriors may work well with charcoal slate or weathered wood tones. Sun exposure is a major factor in Los Angeles. Darker deck colors can absorb more heat in direct afternoon sun, which may make bare feet uncomfortable during hot weather. Lighter colors can stay more comfortable, but they may show dirt, leaves, and stains more easily. The best choice depends on where the sun hits, how much shade the yard gets, and whether the deck will be covered by a pergola or roof. Composite decking gives homeowners a wide range of color options. Materials from brands like Fiberon are designed to provide the look of wood without the regular staining and sealing required by many natural wood decks. Still, samples should always be viewed outside. A board color can look very different in bright sun, evening shade, or next to your actual exterior walls. Railings are part of the color decision too. Black railings can create contrast and keep attention on a view. White railings can look traditional and bright, but may need more visible cleaning. Wood-toned or bronze railings may blend into the deck and create a softer look. Consider how the railing color will look from inside the home as well as from the yard. Before making a final selection, place a few samples outside near your door, patio, and landscaping. Look at them in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Think about cleaning, heat, and long-term maintenance, not only the first impression. If you want help choosing a deck design and material combination that fits your Los Angeles home, you can reach our team at 213-579-4440 or visit toughdeckbuilderslosangeles.com. At Tough Deck Builders Los Angeles, we help homeowners choose materials that look right, perform well, and support a strong deck structure. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Los Angeles. In our next episode, we will cover deck drainage and why water management should be part of every project.